Are you thinking about finally building your dream home? Choosing a trusted builder is a key step in creating a successful custom home experience.
Primarily in the New England area, New Hampshire is very low on inventory. There's really not a lot of existing homes out there for customers to choose from. Building's really a great option to get what they want, where they want.
The experts at SANKEN Homes have been building and renovating custom luxury homes in New Hampshire for over 40 years and are excited to help turn your dreams into reality.
We came up with the name SANKEN because Ken Sand just didn't sound right, so that's how we named it.
What inspired us is to have more family time and to be independent. And we started out doing modular homes, which I could do on nights and weekends, plus hold a full-time job. We did have a lot of time as family because the kids would come out to the job and work with us. When we first started out clearing lots and whatever needed to be done, our kids were with us.
It's been a journey over the past 41 years, and to be able to watch our family come into the business, watch our son take over the company, doing an amazing job, and it's been a lot of fun.
SANKEN Homes is a custom home builder, also into land development. We build about 95% primarily custom homes from the start, where the customer comes along right in the beginning process and we finalize the plans for them, customize the design, and build the house on their preferred lot. Sometimes that's in our development, sometimes it's off-site on their own lot. A lot of builders are either really large and they're just kind of doing tract building, or they're very small and just doing one or two custom homes. We're kind of in the middle where we're doing scale, but we're still able to offer the customization.
From concept to construction, every SANKEN home is a team effort.
We have in-house plan drawing, so it really makes it convenient for tailoring the plan for the customer. We usually start out with a conversation, kind of getting a feel for what they look for in a home, and we can help guide them to a design that best fits what they're looking for, and we can also customize that design. Some of the most popular features that we're seeing today are tiled showers, gas fireplaces, upgraded kitchens and finishes. People are kind of looking for a smaller house, well equipped with a lot of options. Every one of our designs offers features that give our house a unique look and not the cookie cutter look that some other homes have.
When we meet with clients, we review with them what their needs are, what they're looking for, and help them select from our house plans, options, upgrades. Typically, I work with them to price out all these options for them so they can see what the total price would be and help navigate through which options may or may not make the final cut depending on their budget. It's important for our team to work through the permitting process in each individual town quickly so that we can meet our overall timeline for the construction of the house. Each house site is going to be different, and we look at each site and house plan to see what changes might need to be made to the plan to make it fit on that individual lot.
We first purchased this land in Pembroke. It was 177 acres. We got it approved for 56 units. Each home sits on approximately an acre, and we really stuck with the 1,500 to 2,500 square foot range, keeping the houses all similar in size. We offer some ranch designs, some two-story designs, and some cape designs.
The Pembroke project's been a lot of fun. It's a very nice development in an area close to Concord, New Hampshire and Manchester, New Hampshire. Each house is spaced apart nicely so that you're not too crowded, and the people have been great to work with throughout the process of this development. Our customers are fairly involved in the design process as well as throughout the construction. Any questions that they have or even changes that they want to make during the process, we will work with them to accomplish that. Once we finish the process, in about 6 months' time, the house is ready for the customer to move in. When we are finished with the construction of the house, our team does an initial walkthrough to make sure that everything is just right. Then we do a final walkthrough with the buyer to make sure that this home is perfect for them.
My wife and I had found a plan from a home that we wanted to build, and it just so happened that SANKEN had built that exact plan. There was a lot of specific things to that plan that we really liked, and once we saw it in person, we knew that this was going to be the house that we would have for the foreseeable future. We were always knowing what was happening at all points of the build, and it just made me and my wife feel very comfortable that we were making the right decision, moving from a different state. Being able to just feel connected to the whole process was just something that was very valuable to both of us. It was very easy to make modifications. We actually added a bathroom in our finished basement really last minute and have it be there and not have to, be upset that we didn't make those changes initially.
With decades of experience, a family-first philosophy, and a commitment to craftsmanship, SANKEN is building more than homes. They're building dreams, one family at a time.
It means everything to us living in our new home. We're on a lot of land. We want it to be a little bit more self-sufficient. We want it to live in the great state of New Hampshire and raise our kids here. If you are thinking about building a house in the state of New Hampshire, you should build it with SANKEN. They are on point on every aspect of their build. The quality is top-notch, and they are great people.
For efficiency and build speed, we really pride ourselves on meeting deadlines. We, on average, give a customer a 6-month window from when we sign a contract to when they're moving in. Our average build is really only about 4 months of actual construction taking place. The 6 months allows time for planning and permits and any kind of potential delays. So we have a really good track record of hitting that 6-month timeline on our homes. Some of the future projects we have upcoming are small developments in New Ipswich, Wilton, Mount Vernon, and we're working on another large-scale subdivision similar to this size in the New Ipswich Greenville area. At SANKEN Homes, we're here to build custom homes for people, but we're also actively looking for land to keep ahead of all these customers coming at us.
Want to know more about SANKEN Homes? Visit their website, san-ken.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.